Hey Nene Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on two Cantu products. Right now we're going to go in with the ACV Root Rinse, which is a gentle scalp detox that gently cleans the scalp without stripping the strands. Great for straight styles, weave extensions, cleans and conditions the scalp, moisturize dry, brittle hair. And I'm starting off with dry and brittle hair. And I'm going to part my hair in 3 sections so I can work the product in my scalp. And I'm going to wet my hair so the product can work a little bit better with my wet hair. Time to use the product. So when I was first using it, I don't know why I thought it was going to be thick, but it wasn't. It's like a watery consistency, of course, because it's the ACV rinse. So, I mean, why wouldn't it be, watery? But I was basically rubbing that into my scalp, making sure I rubbed it very gently. You don't want to scrub your hair with your nails. The product I can pass up, but everything else was really nice. It does have tea tree oil in it, which made my hair feel so refreshed. You know how like you eat something minty, then you drink like something cold, like cold water, and then your mouth feels like really cool. That's exactly how my scalp was feeling. But it just felt so good and so clean, like, oh my goodness. And mind y'all, my hair was dirty. I think I haven't washed my hair like in 2 to maybe 3 weeks, so I needed that, and it felt so good. So now I'm going in with this scalp scrubber. I think that's what it's called, but I'm basically just scrubbing my scalp, making sure all that dandruff and stuff is out. Now I'm just going to rinse my hair out, and you guys, please do not mind my face. Like, oh my goodness, these some ugly faces I was making, but that's exactly how, this is normal. I'm a human being, as you guys can see. But I'm just rinsing the product out, rubbing my scalp, making sure everything is out of my scalp and everything, and just running my hands through my hair. And man, when I tell you, this stuff got the job done. And my curls are defined. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Okay. And now I'm going to show you guys, like, look how look. Do y'all see that? I can just rake my hand right through it and I don't have no issues. Like, yes. And this is the hair that shed, not a lot. Now we're going to move on to the Natural Hair Intensive Repair Deep Treatment Mask. It restores and strengthens dry, damaged hair, boosts moisture retention for increased hair elasticity and reduced breakage. Made with pure shea butter with manageability and shine. No mineral oils, sulfate, parabens, silicones, phthalates, don't quote me, gluten and paraffin and propylene free. This finished product is not tested on animals, so I just rubbed it in my hands, and it smells like regular Cantu. It's like a creamy kind of texture. Y'all know what Cantu smell like. This is exactly what it smells like. I'm just raking that all through my hair strands. Do y'all see them curls? Do y'all see them curls? Yes. So I'm just showing you guys the curls that, like, look y'all, look at them curls. And I'm showing you guys the hair that shed, all the hair that shed while I was putting that in, like, yes. Okay, now I'm going in with my Kiridu hair steamer. The reason why I'm going in with this Kiridu hair steamer is because I have low porosity hair, meaning my hair does not take a lot of stuff. It takes a long time for my hair strands to just get the product in. So I'm gonna make sure my hair gets it in, which the directions say go under a hair dryer, but I'm gonna use my hair steamer because I don't have a hair dryer. And this hair steamer, well, for what I'm doing right now, it hydrates the hair, adds moisture, boosts texture and volume, but I want to make sure the product is working through my hair strands and making sure the product penetrates in my hair strands. So I'm making sure my hair gets the product in, and I'm not just using products just to be using them. And let me tell y'all something, my hair felt so soft, it was detangled, like everything was just nice bomb. And mind y'all, I didn't comb my hair before I washed my hair or anything, so these products work really good. All of them are A pluses. Y'all, the curls after, like, just so defined. Like, I don't usually have products that make my hair defined. Like, I love this. Definitely using it again and again. And this is all the hair that shed out of my hair while I was doing the whole detangling process and everything. Not a lot of hair. Now I'm just wrapping my hair up with this hair towel, whatever you want to call it. I forgot the name. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Love you oh so much. Mwah.